Can you wholesale and flip bank-owned properties? Absolutely you can. My name is Lex Levenrad, and I want to show you how you can wholesale and flip bank-owned properties. I wrote a book called Wholesaling Bank-Owned Properties, and in that book I outline exactly how you can go about buying and bidding on bank-owned properties, as well as foreclosures and short sales, and how you can flip HUD properties, Fannie Mae properties, Freddie Mac properties, and any REO or foreclosure or short sale out there using a strategy known as the double closing. So if you'd like to learn more about this, go ahead and download a free copy of my book, Wholesaling Bank-Owned Properties. And right after you download that, you will get an invite link to a training webinar with me where I will walk you through how we wholesale and flip properties like that, and I will show you examples of my students that are wholesaling and flipping and fixing and flipping houses too. So just go ahead and click on that link below, and I will see you on the training.